It's gorgeous. Hold on. We had friends in town that stayed with us for about 4 days. So there was no video last week. There was no video before. Yeah, I slept in and I'm just getting ready to go to the gym. I had a major sinus infection while our friends were here. I could not breathe. I wasn't sick. I felt completely fine, but yeah, it was wild. But I can breathe now, but I still feel like I'm getting rid of the congestion. So that's that. Back from the gym. Today's was arms and abs and it went good. It is back again to being windy and cold. Isn't that nice? We had like 4 or 5 days of perfect weather and now it's cold. That's okay. Summer's coming. This morning I have a lot to do, so I thought I'd take you with me. And then at 1 o'clock I'm doing a art class for some friends and their kids, and I'm very excited because I love these girls. So I'm gonna make some breakfast, so let's do that together. A couple of turkey sausages. My breakfast, lots of protein, good fats with almonds. So I'm just gonna eat this. I'm gonna make my coffee too. Cheers to lots of protein. So now that I've eaten my breakfast, which I forgot to take a photo for my thumbnail, of course, I think I'm gonna make a third cup of coffee, but maybe make a decaf, and then I have some work to do. So this painting here, I need to, first of all, sign it. Second of all, take a photo, a really good high quality photo, and then we're gonna add it to the prints, gallery prints on my website. So that's priority for this morning, and then need to announce that on got home from work and I have so much cleaning to do, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, so now we're gonna clean. It's not too bad. It could be worse, but anyway. Good afternoon. I'm just drinking. This is a new product by JS Health, Vitality and Collagen Glow. So this is a, let's see, what is the flavor? I don't think it has a flavor, but it has turmeric, marine hydrolyzed collagen, and vitamin C. And the main source of collagen is from cod. And the taste is actually pretty good. So I've been trying this out. I really, really like this. The brand sent these to me, and as of right now, I would recommend them. Add my rice. This is the fit. pretty much I'm wearing my workout set that I wore, and then I'm just throwing this t-shirt over it. My Yankees cap. Okay, let's go. I think I need to get food. That was absolutely delicious. And now we have to go grocery shopping at Walmart and then Harris Teeter. Anyway, I got the chicken curry wrap, which is absolutely divine, like genuinely. Good evening. I just filmed a video for TikTok, but it's my eyebrows. I've been scared to trim them myself for a while, but I just did it, and it turned out really good. So this one has no product in it. I'd started using this on this side just so I could like stand them straight up, but then I realized I actually didn't even need to do that. So that's good. But yeah, they turned out great. And I just use this and this. Now I'm gonna take a shower and go to bed because I'm so tired. This is the fit. Black on black. Because you can't go wrong with black. Hey guys, something just came in the mail. So I've been going to Michael's in Virginia, and I keep having to. Anyway, we have a van now, but it's a full day trip to go get canvases. The 48 by 48 canvases, which you know I love because they're big. I like big canvases. They don't fit in my compact SUV. I finally on Amazon found 48 by 48 canvases. So they're here, and we're gonna unbox them to see if they are damaged. We have one broken piece right there. Oh, yes. Both of them are damaged. All right, well, there's this one, which I'm gonna do something with. I think I'm gonna do the red, like I'd said before. And then I put the other one in the dining room. This is where the rehearsal dinner is. It's a couple that the family knows. Guys, it's gorgeous. Hold on. think I'm sick, getting sick. I've had a sore throat and lots of congestion. And we just got back from Tennessee last night, driving in the car, 12-hour, pretty much like 12 hours. Like it's 10 hours if you don't stop at all. But of course you're going to stop, duh, because you got to go to the bathroom and get food and stuff. So my body hurts, my head hurts, my throat hurts. Hopefully tomorrow, maybe I'll feel better and I will film more tomorrow. We'll see. But good morning. I'm feeling a little better. I think I was getting sick, but I slept about 12 plus hours last night and the night before. And I think that has helped me tremendously. So I'm just getting ready for the day, and I have just lots of like unpacking and cleaning to do to get back into the swing of things. I officially quit my part-time job so I could pursue art full-time. I did it, taking the leap. I'm gonna do it because the time it takes, I need all that time. And then to like take care of, you know, my personal life and friends and family. So we are just gonna get ready, and yeah, I'm gonna go to the storage unit, drop off the luggage, and I might start a painting today. I don't know. This is the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Nourishing Milk. I think it is supposed to be a dupe for the Road Glazing Mist. Is that it? Anyway, I've never tried the Road one before. I'm almost ready, and this is the finished look. I literally just put on concealer, some blush, my freckles, eyebrow gel, and mascara. That's it. And this is the Clinique Black Honey. Yeah, I think that looks good. So I'm looking for gluten-free tortillas. Found it.